Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 11th standard. Last class we have discussed some minus and cofactors of the determinant. Okay. In this class we are going to see about the exercise 1.1, the fourth sum. Okay. So find the determinant AB if A is equal to minus 3, minus 1, 2, 1 and B is equal to 3, 0, 1, minus 2. Okay. You want to find the determinant of AB. Okay. The solution. First find the AB value. Then find the determinant of AB. So how to find AB? This is already studied in our 10th standard. Okay, AB, the product of A and B. So A is 3, minus 1, 2, 1 and B is 3, 0, 1, minus 2. Okay. The product of values. First consider the first row. The first row multiplying the two columns. Then consider the second row. The second row multiplying with the two columns. Okay. So one by one we do it. Okay. First consider the row 1. So this is plus into plus plus. 3 3s are 9. Then minus into plus minus 1 1s are 1. Consider the second column, plus into plus plus, 3 into 0, 0 and minus into minus, plus 1 2s are 2. Okay. Then consider the second row and first column, plus into plus plus, 2 3s are 6, plus into plus plus, 1 1s are 1, plus into plus plus, 2 zeros are 0 and plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2. Okay. So making the simplification, 9 minus 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 1 7, this is for minus 2. Okay. So now we get AB value. Then find the determinant of AB. The determinant of AB equal to the determinant of AB answer, A 2 7 minus 2. A 2 7 minus 2. Okay, this is equal to, expand the value, product of the leading diagonal minus product of the secondary diagonal. Plus into minus minus, 8 2s are 16 and minus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, 7 2s are 14. Now we get the like sign making the addition. So 16 plus 14 is 30 and the sign is minus 30. Okay, this is the determinant of AB answer. Okay, that's all the answer of fourth question. Have you understood? Okay, next fifth question. Solve the determinant 7 4 11 minus 3 5 x minus x 3 1 equal to 0. The determinant value equal to 0. In this slide we already do the sum. The third sum. Okay. The solution. The question. Expand the R1. Okay. The 7. Deleting the corresponding row column, we get 5 x 3 1 and this is the place value is, okay, the place of sign is minus. Okay, then 4. Here deleting the corresponding row column, we get minus 3 x minus x 1. Then here the place of sign is plus, then 11. Deleting the row column, we get minus 3 5 minus x 3. The determinant value equal to 0. Okay. The 7 into, expand the determinant value, plus into plus plus 1 by 5 and minus plus into plus plus 3 into x 3x and minus 4 minus into plus minus 3 into 1 3 and minus into minus plus minus, here also minus 4 plus x into x square. Okay, using the exponential rule, x power m into x power n, when base are equal, the sum of the powers, x is equal to m plus n. Here x power 1, this is x power 1, so 1 plus 1 2. Okay, then plus 11, okay. Minus into plus, minus, 3 3s are 9, and minus into plus, minus, here also minus, so plus 5 into x, 5x is equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. Multiplying inside the value, plus into plus plus, 7 5s are 35, and plus into minus, minus, 3 7s are 21 x. Minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12, minus into plus, minus 4 into x square, 4x square. Then plus into minus, minus 11 9s are 99, and plus into plus, plus 11 5s are 55x is equal to 0. Okay, you understood? And comparing the like terms. First write the, next write the descending order of the equation. So first consider the x square. Minus 4 x square, then the x value minus 21x, this is plus 55x. So subtract the both the value. This is 5 minus 1, the greater value sign is plus, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 34 x. Okay. Then comparing the numbers, these two are plus. So 35 plus 12 is equal to 47. Okay. Minus 99 equal to 0. So minus 4x square plus 34x. Then subtract these two numbers because opposite sign, plus 47 minus 99. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, minus 52 equal to 0. The greater value sign is minus. Okay. Yeah. So compare all the terms. So minus 4x square plus 34x minus 52. These three numbers exactly divisible by 2. Okay. So divided by 2 on both sides. Divided by 2 on both sides, we get minus 4x square divided by 2 plus 34x divided by 2 minus 52 divided by 2 equal to 0 by 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 2x square, 1 2s are 2, 17 2s are 34 plus 17x. 1 2s are 2, this is 26 2s are minus 26. So 0 by 2 is 0. Multiplying by minus 1 on both sides. We get minus, so minus change into plus 2x square minus 17x plus 26 equal to 0. Now we get the quadratic equation. Already know the factorization. Here using the factorization method. So product of the coefficient of x square with the constant, 2 times of 26 is 52, and the middle of value is minus 17. Whatever the numbers are, we select the product of value is 52 and the sum of the value is minus 17. This is 4 13s are 52, minus into minus plus 4 13s are 52, 4 plus 13 is minus 17. Okay, minus 4 minus 13 is minus 7. And also divided by the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. So by 2 by 2. Okay, this is 1 times of 2, this is 2 times of 2. So this can be right, and with x minus 2, then 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. So already know the factorization method. Okay. First multiplying the coefficient of x square with the constant and write the middle term minus 17. So select the numbers. Give this random choice. We get minus 4 and minus 13 is the answer. Then also divided by coefficient of x squared value. So divide the x squared coefficient of x squared value. We get the factors. So now x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 13 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. 2x equal to plus 13, making the transposition. Okay. So x is equal to 13 divided by 2. Once again making the transposition, we get in this line. Okay. Therefore, the value of x are 2, 13 by 2. Okay. Have you understood the answer? Okay, dear student, next sixth question. Evaluate the determinant 1a squared minus bc, 1b b squared minus ca, 1c c squared minus ab. Okay. Before start the sixth question, page number 8, you have properties of determinant. Carefully read out all the properties, then do the sum. Okay. The sixth question. The solution. The determinant value 1a squared minus bc, 1b b squared minus ca, 1c c squared minus ab. Okay. This is the determinant of the row 1 a square minus bc. And this is for row 2. Okay, the row 2, consider the row 2. Let's change the row 2. Row 2 is equal to row 1 minus row 2. Okay. Here, subtract the row 2 from row 1. Okay. This is for row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. So row 2 change is row 1 minus row 2. Row 1 this is, so minus row 2. So 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Then a minus b. Then here a square minus bc minus of r2 minus r2. So minus b square plus c. Minus b square plus c. Understood? So change the sign. Minus r2. So change the r2 value sign. So 1 minus 1 is 0. A minus b is a minus b. A square minus bc minus this value. So minus b square. So here minus into minus plus c. Then same r3 implies r2 minus r3. So now I want to change the r3. Okay. So r2 minus r3. Subtracting these two rows. So 1 minus 1 is 0. B minus c. Then b squared minus ca. Then minus of r3 minus c square minus into minus plus ab. Understood? Clear this? In this slide, we do the row operations. We easily expand the determinant value. Okay, next, which is equal to determinant 1 a square minus bc is equal to 0 a minus b. Here a square minus b square. Right in the order. A square minus b square. Here compare the both the term. Get the c is the common. So plus c is the common. Remaining a minus b. Okay. Compare the second and fourth term. C is the common taken outside. Remaining a minus b. The same as 0 b minus c, b square minus c square. So compare second and fourth. Here a is the common. So plus a is the common. So b minus c. Okay. Which is equal to the next step. Determinant of 1 a square minus bc 0 a minus b a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Then plus c into a minus b. Okay. Then 0 b minus c. Here also I am using the algebraic identity. This is b square minus c square. Okay. So b plus c into b minus c plus a into b minus c. Okay. Okay, next step, which is equal to the determinant 1 a square minus b. Consider the R2 0 a minus b. Here also a minus b, a minus b. So a minus b common in R2. So taken outside. So a minus b. So remaining terms are 0. Here a minus b is taken out. So remaining is 1. Then a minus b already taken outside. Remaining a plus b. Then here plus c. Also a minus b already taken. So here consider the R3. B minus c has all the term. B minus c, B minus c, B minus c. So B minus c taken outside, remaining 0 is as 1. Okay. So B minus c taken out, so remaining B plus c here plus A. Okay. Is equal to A minus B into B minus c is equal to 1 A square minus BC. 0 1 a plus b plus c, so 0 1, this is for rewrite a plus b plus c. Okay, this is equal to a minus b into b minus c. Here this value equal to 0 since R2 is converted to R3. The R2 is equal to R3. The two rows are equal. When the determinant exists, the two rows are equal means the determinant value is goes to 0. Okay. So this is one of the property of determinant. Okay. Read out the properties. So when two rows are equal, the determinant value is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 into the whole value is 0. Therefore, the determinant value is equal to 0. Have you understood? Okay, next, someone to question, prove that the determinant 1 by a, bc, b plus c, 1 by b, ca, c plus a, 1 by c, ab, a plus b equal to 0. So, want to prove that given determinant equal to 0. Okay, the solution. So, consider the LHS 1 by a, bc, b plus c, 1 by b, ca, c plus a, 1 by c, AB, A plus B. This is equal to. Okay. Here multiplying by A, R1. Okay. So the determinant. So R1 tends to A into R1. Okay. So R1 multiplying by A because 1 by A. So 1 by A multiplying by A we get 1. Okay. So the 1 A by A here ABC, A multiplying AB plus AC. Then R2 multiplying B into R2. R2 change B into R2. Okay. B into R2 is B by B plus ABC. Okay. Then B into C, BC plus AB. Then R3 change C into R3. Okay. Yeah, C by C, ABC. Because already have AB, so with C, multiply with C, we get ABC. Then AC plus BC. Okay. This is equal to. So using the cancellation, we get 1 ABC, AB plus AC, 1 ABC, BC plus AB, 1 ABC, AC plus BC. Okay. 1. Consider the determinant. The C2 has the common term ABC, ABC, ABC. So taking outside, we get ABC. Then here 1, 1, 1. So the 1, 1, 1. The column 2, so already taken ABC, all are ABC. So 1, 1, 1. The remaining terms are AB plus AC and BC plus AB, then AC plus BC. This is equal to ABC into 0. Since C1 is congruent to C2. Okay. The column 1 and column 2s are equal element. So in this slide X is the determinant value, the value is 0. This is one of the property. Okay. So when two columns are identical columns are equal, the determinant value is 0. Okay. So 0 into ABC equal to 0. So hence prove the RHS. So hence prove. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, next 8th question. Prove that the determinant minus a square AB AC, AB minus b square BC, AC BC minus c square equal to 4a square b square c square. Okay. Let's consider the LHS, the solution. Minus a square AB AC, AB minus b square BC, AC BC minus c square. Okay. Yeah. Consider the R1. The R1 has common element of a square, AB, AC. So taking outside 1a. Okay. Remaining terms are minus a. So a into a square. Then b, here c. Okay. Then consider the R2. The R2 has the common element of b, AB minus b square, BC. So b. Okay. So the remaining terms are a, here b, then here the c. Then consider the R3. The R3 has the common element of c. So c taken out, remaining a, b, and here minus c. Okay, which is equal to a, b, c. Consider the column 1. The column 1 gets is the same element a. So taking out a. So remaining terms are minus 1, 1, 1. And consider the column 2. This has b. So taking outside we get 1, minus 1, 1. Then column C is the common. So 1, 1, minus 1. Okay. Now we get in this slide. Okay, next step is equal to a into a square, b into b square, then c into c square. Okay. Then expand the determinant minus 1. So expand R1. So minus 1 into the determinant value. Deleting the corresponding row column, we get minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, this has the minus, so 1. Determinant, deleting the corresponding row column, and 1, 1, 1, minus 1. 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, then the third one plus 1. This position has plus. So deleting the row column, we get 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is equal to a square, b square, c square, minus 1 into minus into minus plus, 1 ones are 1. Before start minus, plus into plus plus, 1 ones are 1. Then minus 1, plus into minus minus, 1 ones are 1. And minus, plus into plus plus, 1 ones are 1. Okay, then plus 1, plus into plus plus, 1 ones are 1. Minus, plus into minus minus, here also minus, so plus, 1 ones are 1. This is equal to a square, b square, c square into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 totally minus 2. Plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. This is equal to, okay, this is equal to a square, b square, c square. Minus into plus minus, 1 zeros are 0, so 0. This value is 0. And minus into minus, plus 1 twos are 2. Then plus into plus plus, 1 twos are 2. Okay, is equal to a square, b square, c square. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 into this value, 4 a square, b square, c square. So this is our RHS. So hence proved. If we use the properties, easily find out the value. Okay. Otherwise, we get the difficult. So avoid the difficult. Use the properties to solve the question. Okay. Okay. Today's homework. Book page numbers 9 and 10. Examples 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9. Okay. Before do the example, carefully read the properties of determinant. Then do the sum. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.